Hi, Deadlocks here again, and this week we've got some Russian handcuffs, fancily shaped bobby pin, and one of that, which could be replaced with a lot of other things, and a key for safety.
Why did you shout that?
Because everyone should have a key if they're messing around with the handcuffs, preferably a key for those particular handcuffs that works. What I'm going to do, I'm going to chuck these on. These are very difficult to pick handcuffs because if we look at the key here, I have two, like a split ball, and they're very, very deep in there. That's what I've done. So I've bent the bobby pin into that shape. And it takes a little bit of effort to just get it into the right place and have everything feeling good. Seems about right-ish, maybe. And then this, I'm just using this to loop through there to use as kind of a turning tool to pop them open. Oh, I must say, if you have all the stuff that you need to make that pick and escape handcuffs like that, people haven't done a very good job of searching you, because that was tricky to make. I think if you want to do this escape and picking, you need tools and stuff to make that realistically, so it's kind of unfeasible to escape these by picking. Well, picking alone. The double lock can easily be picked, like really easy, but then best way out of these, shimming, definitely much easier. Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Okay, so here's attempt number 2. We're now going for the little fire brigade lock, and we're going to see if I can snap the tensioner for this as well. So I'll get